Hello students, welcome to the E-class of computers. Today we are going to study a new chapter 7, Introduction to Scratch Programming. This is a new topic for you all. Let's try to make this new topic an interesting topic. The topics which we are going to study in this chapter are concept of program and programming, Scratch software, main features of Scratch, and basic functions of Scratch programming. Now starting with the introduction first. Scratch is a free visual programming language developed to simplify the process of creating and programming animations, games, music, interactive stories and more. So my dear students, it is a free visual programming. Visual means something which we can see, something which is visible to our eyes. So it is a free visual programming. Once it is downloaded in your computer system, you can use it without an internet connection and even without any cost. So it is a free visual programming language developed to simplify the process of creating and programming animations. You can create and program animations, games, musics, interactive stories and so many other things you can perform over Scratch. It is designed to teach computational thinking in children using a simple but powerful building block approach to software development that focuses more on problem solving than on specific syntax. It means that we are developing this with the help of this Scratch programming. We are developing computational thinking skills in children using simple but powerful techniques, which will help them further. The main focus of Scratch programming is on the development of problem solving attitude in the students. Now moving on towards concept of program and programming. A computer program is a collection of instructions that performs a specific task when executed by a computer. So computer program, it is a collection of instructions. Likewise, I am instructing you to do the homework in a particular manner. Similarly, computer program, it is a collection of instructions that we, the human beings, are giving the computer to perform a specific task. A part of a computer program that performs a well-defined task is known as algorithm, and the part of that computer program which performs a particular given task, that part of computer program is known as algorithm. A collection of computer programs, libraries and related data are referred to as software, and software is something where the collection of computer programs, libraries and all the related data is there. That collection is known as software. Another topic is Scratch software. See, again I'm repeating, Scratch, it is a new programming language that makes it easy to create interactive stories, games and animations. Now we can share our creations with others on the web or on the internet. Then Scratch was created by the Lifelong Kindergarten Group at MIT Media Lab. This is the history of Scratch, that it was created by the Lifelong Kindergarten Group at MIT Media Lab. So now there are two elements of Scratch. The first element which we are going to study is sprites and the second element is script. These two are the important elements of Scratch programming, which we will study in the another slide. Now Sprites are the actors or main characters of the project. Sprites are programmed to do something in Scratch. That means Scratch projects are made up of objects called sprite. Sprite, they are the main actors of Scratch programming. With the help of sprites only, Scratch projects are made, and they are programmed to do something in Scratch. That means whatever you want them to do, they will do. They are programmed in that manner. We can even change how a sprite looks by giving them a different costume. You can even make a sprite look like a person or a train or a butterfly and so many other things. Then another point is script. Script tells the actors what to say or do. Each sprite is programmed with a script. Script is that person who tells the actors that what they are supposed to do and what they are supposed not to do. So that work is done by script, and each sprite is programmed with a script. Until and unless a script is not there, the sprite cannot perform. Main features of Scratch. The very first feature of Scratch programming is it is a computer programming language. And computer programming language, it is the process of writing and editing source code. So Scratch is a computer programming language. Then designed for education. Scratch programming or Scratch software was mainly designed for education purpose, to develop problem solving attitude in students, and it is very easy to use. People of any age, they can use Scratch programming, and the most important thing, no prior experience is required in order to work on Scratch. So that's why the main purpose of developing Scratch software or Scratch programming was for education, was for students. Another point, visual, colorful and graphical. Since the students are more attractive towards the colorful things, that's why Scratch programming is visual, which we can see with our eyes. It is very colorful and it is having so many graphics in them. Then fun. While doing Scratch programming, the students they started having fun. They started enjoying while doing Scratch programming. So these were the main features of Scratch. These 4 points: computer programming language, it is designed for education, visual, colorful and graphical, and the last one, fun. They are the main features of Scratch. Basic functions of Scratch. Now the first function of Scratch is motion. The function of motion is to move sprite and change its angles. Second function is control. Now what is the use of control? Basic functions of Scratch. So many basic functions are there. Now the first one is motion. The use of motion is it moves sprite and changes its angles. Now second one is control. The use of control is it is used to control script. It is used to control script. Third point is looks. This function controls the visual of the sprite. That means how a sprite looks like. It controls the visual of the sprite. It even helps in changing the background. It enlarges the sprite and even shrink the sprite. Fourth point is sensing. The function of sensing is to detect different factors of a project. That means we can identify so many factors of a given project. Point number 5 is sound. The function of sound is to play audio files. This is very clear. Sound, it means it helps in playing audio files. Number 6, operators. Operators are used to script math equations and string handling. Math equations, it is used to script math equations and string handling. Then pen. Students, pen, it is a feature in Scratch that allows a sprite to draw shapes. It is a feature in Scratch which allows a sprite to draw shapes. With the help of pen, the sprite can draw shapes. Any type of shapes can be drawn with the help of pen. Then the last one is variables. Variables, they are represented with blocks. Variables are represented with the help of blocks. Now blocks, what is block? When you will you will start doing the Scratch programming, then you can see small blocks are there in the form of sprite. So those variables, they are represented with blocks. So the main basic functions of Scratch programming are 8 basic functions are there. First one is motion, then control, looks, sensing, sound, operators, pen, and the last one is variables. Now moving on towards your home assignment. Define the terms. The very first term you're supposed to define is looks, sensing, and the last one is operators. These 3 terms you are supposed to define and write down in your copies. The definition of these 3 terms you are supposed to write down in your copies. Thank you very much for your keen patience. I hope you must have understood everything and enjoyed the video class. Have a nice day.